Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a soak off and an overlay on the natural nail. So exciting. Prior I didn't used to like doing overlays, but now I appreciate them so much because they are super quick and I love it. You just buff the nail, put on the prep, slap on the acrylic. Sometimes they don't even want to design. You can just top coat it and go. I love it so much. So yes, we are first starting off with soaking off the nails. So first I'm just filing down the nails as low as possible, so when they soak off it won't take as much time. My drill bit was betraying me so badly. I don't know what was wrong with my drill bit. It was not, it was struggling, girl. So this, even though it didn't take that long, is usually much faster, me debulking the nail, but it was pissing me off. But yes, this video is also in real-time speed. I'm just watching it now and it's just it's pissing me off. Anyways, so we're gonna be starting to soak off shortly. So now this is how they look after they've been sitting in acetone for a little bit. So with this much left, I could just use the drill on a lower speed just to get rid of the acrylic that's left on the nail, which is the part I really like. So I'm just filing it off right here. Now, when I do a soak off, when the client's hand comes out of the acetone bowl, I usually take a paper towel and, well, it depends how much comes off at once, but I usually take a paper towel, wipe all the excess nail that comes off, then I go in with this tool and just scrape off what's left, or I do it in reverse. I use the tool first and then wipe over it with a paper towel and then use the nail drill to get off what's left. But this soak off, it was magnificent. It just slid right off. I love it. now that I have finished the soak off, I spray the client's hands down with rubbing alcohol just to get rid of all the acetone, and then I go in with my sanding drill bit, and then I just buff the nails down just so it's an even surface, and to get rid of any excess acrylic that might be still on the nail. I will also be filing the nails as well, just to keep that square shape. We'll have a crisper square shape, and then we can start the overlay process. So now after I finish putting the prep on, we are now ready to begin the overlay. Please keep in mind, my brush is a little fucked up. I really do need a new brush. So that's why it's just like, you could really do this in one bead or even in two. It shouldn't take you this long. But still went fast, but please keep in mind my brush is fucked up. So now all I'm doing is putting on the clear acrylic to her natural nail. And you guys let me know, before I hated working with clear acrylic when I first started doing nails, but now it's literally the fastest type of acrylic to work with. Let me know if y'all like agree or disagree, but I feel like it's the fastest. It gets shit, you just slap it on there and go. So yeah, so just watch as I do the overlay. And then the key to a good overlay is to not make the nails as thick, because short nails should not be thick. They shouldn't be as thin as possible either. It should be like a happy medium. Like, I can't describe to you the thickness, but you'll know once you see the nail. Nails, the shorter the nails, the thinner they should be. It shouldn't be stupid thick. A nice little layer you need. That's all you need.
about summer. I did Papa don't stop and I'm living life. See my fire burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, my teeth in the band.